Hey guys, so in this video today, we're going to be understanding P0073 trouble code. What exactly does it mean? What is it? So on the agenda is going to be symptoms, causes, diagnosis steps, solutions, and much more. So let's get into the first one being the symptoms. Now, P0073 code, what are the symptoms? You're going to have a check engine light on, you're going to have an incorrect temperature reading, HVAC system issues, and fuel efficiency impact. Now, right below is a detailed description of what each symptom is, so go ahead and read that if you want to, and go ahead and pause the video. But let's go ahead and move on now. So the common causes of P0073 is there's going to be a faulty ambient air temperature sensor cause and a damaged or corroded wiring issue, loose or poor electrical connections, and a malfunctioning ECM. Now below it is a detailed description of what exactly is the cause and description. Diagnosis steps for P0073. Use an OBD2 scanner to retrieve stored trouble codes and confirm the presence of P0073. Inspect wiring, test AAT sensor, and check ECM and communication. Now below each diagnosis step is a detailed description. Go ahead and pause the video if you want to go ahead and read that. Okay, now let's go ahead and move on here. Now, solutions for P0073 trouble code. You're going to want to replace the faulty sensor, repair any wiring and connectors, check and replace fuses, and inspect and reprogram ECM. Now below it is a detailed description of solutions, so go on if you want to go ahead and read that. Now the impact importance of fixing P0073. Now, the P0073 trouble code indicates a high input issue with the ambient air temperature sensor circuit, which can significantly affect vehicle performance. Incorrect ambient temperature data can lead to improper engine management, impacting fuel efficiency and emissions. Additionally, the HVAC system relies on accurate temperature readings to regulate cabin climate. A malfunction here can reduce comfort and functionality. Ignoring this code can result in prolonged engine inefficiency and increased wear on components, making timely diagnosis and repair essential for vehicle reliability and driver comfort. Now, additional resources on P0073. So, official vehicle service manuals provide detailed diagnostic procedures for P0073. Now, automotive forums like obdcodes.com and forums specific to your vehicle brand offer community support and shared experiences. YouTube channels with professional mechanics demonstrating sensor tests and repairs for P0073. Technical service bulletins for manufacturers often include updates and fixes related to sensor issues. Automotive diagnostic tool websites provide software updates and troubleshoot guides tailored to OBD2 codes. So those are the additional resources if you need help with P0073. But until then, everybody, thank you guys for watching another OBD Mastery video. Check out our catalog where we have more P0 codes, and we'll see you all for another video.